In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Grand 2, and today I will show you how to reset app preferences. So to start off, we will need to go into the settings. So tap on the apps and find your settings app, just right here. And from here, go into the general and then tap on application manager. Okay, so now we get to choose the option menu right here. It's basically the button next to the home button and opposite to your basically back button, and you will see reset app preferences. Tap on it and confirm it by tapping reset apps, and you're done. App preferences have been reset. Okay, so that is basically how you do it, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.